pigeon?
Yeah.
Is it killing it?
Yeah. Will I throw something at it? Shh!
Leave the pigeon.
Shh! Will I pour water?
The poor pigeon. Go on, run down. Don't let Ruby out. Yeah. It's killing it. Leave it alone. Hey! Leave the pigeon alone. Babe, go down. That's not gonna help. The ALS water boys. Ice bucket challenge, Flo. I says the ALS ice bucket challenge.